Get rid of fruit flies with a homemade trap made from apple cider vinegar. Fruit flies can be a nuisance in the home because they invade food and multiply quickly. But getting rid of fruit flies is easier than you might think. Want to know how? Then stay tuned and watch this video where you'll learn an easy-to-prepare recipe to combat those pesky fruit flies using an ingredient that's familiar here on this channel, apple cider vinegar. Best of all, to make this recipe, you'll need ingredients you probably already have at home. You'll need apple cider vinegar, dishwashing liquid, and a small jar or bowl. Pour 1 cup of apple cider vinegar into a pitcher or small bowl. Now add a few drops of dishwashing liquid to the jar. Don't mix, just leave it in. The trap is ready. Place the trap in the place where you saw the fruit flies and wait for it to do its job. Soon the container will be full of drowned fruit flies. Repeat the process with a new trap if needed. This works because the fruit flies will be attracted to the smell of the apple cider vinegar and will try to land on the surface. However, they'll fly through the detergent and won't be able to return. The flies will end up drowning. Remember to keep this fruit fly trap on your kitchen table, even after trapping them. This trap will prevent infestations from happening in the future. You can keep it in a pretty container so it won't stand out. Vinegar evaporates over time, so keep adding more when you realize most of the vinegar has evaporated, okay? Oh, if you don't have vinegar on hand, you can also catch fruit flies by placing a piece of ripe fruit in an open plastic bag. Wait until the flies have gathered on the fruit, then carefully close the bag so that the flies are trapped inside. Did you enjoy knowing how to use apple cider vinegar against fruit flies?